From previous lecture, now you have understood that a small proportion of water, which is about 2.5%, is fresh water, and a very tiny proportion of it is available as surface water. Now this surface water is important for us because we use this surface water primarily for potable water supply, recreation, irrigation needs, our industrial needs, for transportation, and also for our energy needs. Now you will be surprised to know that about 60% of the public and irrigation water supply is withdrawn from surface water. A major chunk of water required by industry also come from surface water sources. Therefore, surface water plays a crucial role in social and economic well-being of mankind. Despite the fresh water contained by lakes and rivers is insignificant in terms of total hydrological budget of the earth, it plays great value to human being, and it's crucial for survival of man and terrestrial animals. Therefore, in the coming lectures, I will focus on lakes and rivers, which are the major form of surface water bodies. Now you have learned that water is distributed among various earth system components, and the scientific study of the movement, distribution and quality of all water on the earth come under the umbrella of hydrology. Whereas surface water hydrology is a field that includes all surface water of the globe, including overland flows, rivers, lakes, wetlands, estuaries and ocean. It includes the study of surface water movement and distribution of surface water in space and time. Of particular interest is the variability in water quantity and flow within a year and between years. The temporal variability in the water supply is largely influenced by climate. Together with the basin characteristics, hydrological variability affects the development and characteristics of surface water systems such as lakes and rivers. We can say that surface water hydrology is a subset of the hydrology that does not include groundwaters, atmospheric and biospheric waters. There is a significant difference in the mode of operation among the lakes and rivers. Lakes, ponds and reservoirs are standing body of water, while rivers and streams are distinguished by fast flowing water. A lake is a large body of water within a body of land. In that way, even some of the well-known seas like Caspian, Aral and Dead Seas are actually landlocked lakes. However, because of the virtue of their size, the big lakes are called seas. It is estimated that the total surface area of lakes is about 4.2 million square kilometer, which is only about 2.8% of the planet's land surface area, or even it's less than 1% of Earth's total surface area. It is estimated that there are over 300 million lakes in the world. The occurrence of the lakes is linked to the mode of formation and climate of the area. You will be surprised to know that the vast majority of Earth's lake water is found within the 10 bodies of water, the largest lakes in the world. Now let's talk about the classification of lakes. The occurrence of lake is linked to the mode of formation and climate of that area. No lake is permanent over the geological time. Lakes can be classified based on origin, salt content and productivity. According to the mode of occurrence and origin, the natural lakes can be temporary or permanent and formed by earth movements like tectonic activities or rift valleys. They can also be product of glaciation. They may also be formed by volcanic activities. They may also be formed by due to erosion activities and deposition of sediments. Based on salt content, a lake can be classified as fresh water lake if the salt content is less than 3 grams per liter. It is called saline lake if salt content is between 3 to 35 grams per liter, or it will be known as hypersaline if salt content is more than 35 milligram per liter to 300 milligram per liter. Saline lakes are mostly found in the arid environment where water leaves lake through either evaporation or seepage into the ground. The evaporation concentrates salt and other chemicals in the water over the time. Large saline lakes represent 44% of the volume and 23% of the area of the lakes on the earth. The Caspian Sea is by far the largest saline lake. The Caspian Sea, Aral Sea and the Dead Sea are also the largest salt lakes, whereas the Great Salt Lake is a hypersaline lake. The lakes very low in productivity are characterized by clear water, and they are known as oligotrophic lakes, whereas the lakes which are characterized by green water are high in productive and they are known as eutrophic lakes. Being landlocked and containing standing water are the two basic characteristics of lakes. Therefore, several other water bodies are also considered as lakes. For example, ponds and reservoirs. Now, there is no scientific difference between the lakes and ponds. However, lakes are larger than ponds, but size is relative. Reservoirs at other side are artificial lakes, as they are formed due to construction of dams on rivers. That's why they are termed as man-made lakes.